Hello class. Today I'm going to teach you how to complete a 3-act math problem using Google Classroom. Okay, the first thing you need to do is log on and go to your classroom. I am using a demo classroom for this example. So in your classroom, in the stream section or classwork, your assignment will pop up. So let's go ahead and click on that. 3-act math, bright idea. So the way we start this is we go over the right here and we click on our Google Doc that has our name attached to it. And there you go, a Google Doc pops up that you can now edit, and it is your own. So this is in steps for you. Step 1 would be to click on the video and watch the first video. I'll go ahead and skip ahead of this video, but here we have the bright idea problem that you did earlier in the year. So there you go, you've watched the video. Next you move on to step 2. Notice and wonder. What did you notice about the video? What are some things that you kind of wonder? If you're thinking of wonders, you're thinking more math related. So you notice there are Skittles, there's different colors. Okay, once we get to the wonder, this is where we put our math caps on. We got to think mathematically. So we're going to wonder questions like, how many Skittles are there? How many of each color they are? Why is there so many Skittles in there? And questions like that. After you're done your wonder and notice, you move on to step 3. What is the big problem? So what are we trying to figure out? Well, for this one, we're trying to figure out how many Skittles are in the light bulb. Then we'll move on to step 4, where we're going to do our estimates. Now, the advantage of having your own Google Doc is you can go back to the video and the pictures as much as you want. So here I am going back to the video so that I can get a nice picture of what the light bulb looks like. All right, from here I can get a very good estimate. I can think what's way too low and what's way too high. So for too high, you gotta use your mathematical thinking. What seems way too high based off what you saw? And for low, what makes no sense? So clearly 1 and 5 make no sense because you can see at least that amount in the light bulb. Now for my actual estimate, take a good look at it. I'm going to try to use my best mathematical judgment. Next, step 5, act 2, more information. So click on the link and you'll get some more information to help you with your math. So there you have it, the number of each Skittles. Go down below and record the important information. So from the first few steps, what do you need to solve the problem? So in this example, we need the number of all the different colored Skittles. After you've recorded your important information, it's step number 7, solve the problem. Now this is how we're going to do it. We're going to click on Insert, Image, Camera. And this way you can take a picture of your work. So it might be a little easier on the iPad, but on the computer, try to get as good of a picture as you can get. Click the picture, click Insert, and there you have it. It's inside. And once it's inside your Google Doc, you are almost done. Just got to write your answer in a complete sentence. There are 91 Skittles. And you may notice that my writing is red with a mix of blue. I'll get to that a little bit later here. After you've written your answer in a complete sentence, you can move down to step 9, the answer. So you can click on this and it will reveal the answer to you. And this is why my paper is red mixed with blue, because after I watched the answer, I realized I got it wrong. So this gave me a chance to reflect, go back, and to fix my work, to look for that big, beautiful mistake. that will help me learn math in the future. And if you scroll down some more, there are some challenge questions for you to work on. And there you have it. Just follow the same steps as before, and that is how you do 3-Act Math in Google Classroom.